Trust me.
Okay, just let us know if you need anything.
Okay.